Hello everyone, and welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina. Today we have the pleasure of showing you a beautiful 2015 Tiffin Allegro Open Road Red 38 QRA. A 38-foot, 4-slide, 1.5 bath, luxury diesel pusher that is finished in Tiffin's stunning Sunlit Sand full-body paint package with classic Tiffin graphics that will turn heads everywhere it goes. This coach has only 57,000 total miles on the clock, and it shows the kind of care and maintenance that Tiffin owners are famous for. It is built on the legendary heavy-duty Freightliner raised rail rear-engine diesel chassis that includes full air ride suspension and full air brakes, delivering one of the smoothest, most confidence-inspiring rides you will ever experience in a motorhome, whether you're running long interstate stretches or taking the back roads to your favorite campground. Power is supplied by the 6.7-liter Cummins ISB diesel engine that produces 340 horsepower and a very strong 660 pound-feet of torque, mated to the Allison 2500 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter for effortless, seamless shifting. As we walk around the exterior, you'll immediately notice the massive pass-through basement storage compartments that run nearly the full length of the coach on both sides, including the power slide-out cargo tray that makes loading and unloading camping chairs, outdoor games, grills, or even golf clubs incredibly simple. Up top, you have the power patio awning with integrated LED lighting strip, a separate power entry door awning, protective slide toppers on all 4 slide-outs, and a complete exterior entertainment center that includes a 32-inch flat-screen television with weatherproof speakers. Additional exterior features include HWH 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks operated from the touchpad control panel, a rear-view camera system that displays on the in-dash monitor, a 5,000-pound trailer hitch with 7-pin connector, and Tiffin's signature one-piece hand-laid fiberglass roof that is famous for never leaking. This coach is ready for immediate delivery and your next adventure. Let's go ahead and open every service bay so you can see exactly what you're getting. Starting on the driver's side, you have full 50-amp shoreline power with a detachable extension cord, the Magnum inverter/charger, battery disconnect switches for both house and chassis batteries, and very convenient access to the battery compartments themselves. The Onan 6.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator is mounted on a power slide-out tray for easy service access and is perfect for extended boondocking or emergency power when you're off the grid. Dual roof-mounted air conditioners with heat pump capability provide more than enough cooling and supplemental heating for any climate you plan to visit. And both the gray and black holding tanks are heated and enclosed for true 4-season capability. The water bay includes a city water hookup with built-in pressure regulator, black tank flush system, outside shower, dedicated storage for water hose and sewer hose, and every single compartment is fully lighted and finished with the level of quality and durability Tiffin owners expect. Step inside with me. 4 slides extended, and this coach feels enormous. Right up front is the spacious living area with a large pull-out sleeper sofa on the passenger side slide-out, a very comfortable recliner chair, and a 32-inch flat-screen television mounted directly above the captain's chairs, so everyone has a perfect sight line. Opposite the sofa is the expandable dinette table with 4 freestanding chairs. The table drops down in seconds to create an additional sleeping area, meaning this coach genuinely sleeps 6 people when you count the sleeper sofa and the rear king bed. The galley kitchen is loaded with a full-size stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer with ice maker, 3-burner gas stovetop with matching solid surface cover, convection microwave oven, solid surface countertops with matching sink and stovetop covers, and a large residential sink with high-rise faucet and pull-out sprayer. Overhead cabinets, deep pantry pullouts, and multiple drawers give you tremendous storage for extended trips or full-time living. Mid-coach, you have a very convenient private half bathroom with porcelain toilet, solid surface vanity countertop, sink, medicine cabinet, towel bars, plenty of storage cabinets, and a power roof vent with cover. Perfect for guests or grandkids, so they never have to walk through the master suite. Moving aft, the rear master bedroom features a true walk-around king bed with upgraded mattress, nightstands on both sides with 110-volt and USB outlets, overhead cabinets, a ceiling fan, and a 32-inch flat-screen television mounted on a swing arm. A full-size stackable Splendide washer and dryer is already installed and properly vented in the wardrobe area, ready for immediate use. The full-width rear bathroom is one of the largest in this class. Large radius glass door shower with built-in seat and skylight overhead for natural light. Solid surface vanity with sink and storage below. Linen closet, additional wardrobe storage, porcelain toilet with foot flush, and a second power roof vent. This entire master suite truly feels like a high-end apartment on wheels. Quick recap on this beautiful 2015 Tiffin Allegro Open Road Red 38 QRA. Only 57,000 miles, 4 large slide-outs, 1.5 bathrooms, king bed master with stackable washer and dryer, residential refrigerator, Pull-out sleeper sofa plus convertible dinette for 6 total sleepers. Exterior entertainment center. Sunlit Sand full body paint. Cummins 340 horsepower diesel. Freightliner chassis. And Tiffin's legendary construction and customer support. This coach is clean, serviced, and ready for immediate delivery. Call us right now at 864-2609-276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to schedule your personal walkthrough today. Thank you for watching Porter's RV Sales. We look forward to putting you behind the wheel of this outstanding Tiffin red.